This drone combines high-resolution imaging, robust flight performance, and intelligent features to deliver a comprehensive aerial photography and videography experience. Camera and imaging. At the core of the KY102 MAX is its impressive 8K HD camera, capable of capturing stunning visuals with a maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. This high-definition camera ensures that both photos and videos are rendered with exceptional clarity and detail, making it suitable for professional-grade content creation. The drone is equipped with dual camera functionality, allowing users to switch between different perspectives seamlessly. Additionally, the camera supports 8K HD video recording at 24 frames per second, FPS, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage. Flight performance. The KY102 MAX boasts a maximum remote control distance of up to 10,000 meters, providing pilots with extensive range for exploration and creative shots. Its flight time is approximately 20 minutes per battery charge, offering ample duration for capturing desired footage. The drone's design incorporates wind resistance capabilities, effectively handling wind speeds of up to 10 km per hour, ensuring stable flights in various environmental conditions. Design and build. Weighing approximately 452 grams, the KY102 MAX strikes a balance between portability and durability. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient for on-the-go aerial photography sessions. The drone features a 1/1.28-inch sensor size, contributing to its ability to capture high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions. Advanced features. The KY102 MAX is equipped with several intelligent features to enhance the user experience. Obstacle avoidance. The drone integrates four-way obstacle avoidance sensors, enabling it to detect and avoid obstacles from multiple directions, thereby reducing the risk of collisions during flight. Optical flow positioning. This feature allows for precise hovering and stable flight, even in environments where GPS signals may be weak or unavailable. Gesture control. Users can control the drone using simple hand gestures, making it easier to capture photos or videos without the need for a remote controller. Trajectory flight. The drone supports trajectory finger painting, allowing users to draw a flight path on their mobile device, which the drone will then follow autonomously. Gravity sensor. This feature enables intuitive control of the drone by tilting the connected mobile device, providing a more immersive flying experience. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and subscribe.